today I'll be going over USD CAD, giving you a few key levels and showing you where I possibly think price might head and where I would base my trades from. So let's get into it. So weekly support at 1.25500, weekly support again at 1.27900, and then a weekly resistance at 1.30400. As you can see, we have three weekly support and resistance levels, and yeah, let's get into it. So we also have a daily support just below the weekly support at 1.25300, and we have another weekly support at 1.27700, and a weekly daily resistance at 1.29700, and another daily resistance at 1.31800. Minor daily resistance at 1.30100, and a minor daily support at 1.29400. So let's get into it. So let's paint a story. So as you can see, price has rallied from here into our weekly resistance zone, pulled back, rallied again, rejected, breached the zone, took out all the stops in this particular region. However, we still rejected this zone. So what does this tell me? That this area here is an area which has a very solid resistance. So personally, you wouldn't want to be in a trade and try to breach this particular region, as more than likely the trade would reverse on you and take you out. As you can see how strong this region is holding up. So as you can see, price then went to test the other weekly support. So we rejected one weekly resistance and then more or less rejected the weekly support. And now we look to be making our way again to the weekly resistance again. So me personally, unless I see price breach the weekly support, reject it, then I would look to take shorts from this particular region into here. I wouldn't really look to take longs because of the pressure in this particular region. I would only look to take longs from this region here. So if I was taking longs, it would be from here to this region here. If I'm feeling a bit brave or confident, I could potentially hold it to the weekly level. And if your stops have moved to break even, or you've locked in 70% of profit or whatever, then you could look to maybe target this region here. For now, I wouldn't really short from here because buyers might be trying to test this region here. So there'll be lots of drives up on a lower time frame into this region here. So if I was looking at short, it'd most likely be from here. Let's go into the daily to see what's happening. So as we can see, we've had a weekly candle which has engulfed 3 weeks of price action. So there's a lot of bullish pressure in this region here. So if we go to the daily, we can see what took place. So we can see price rejects this region and then rockets to the upside here. And as we can see, price seems to be slowing down at this daily support. However, I wouldn't really look to take a short from this particular region because I know buyers might try to test this zone here. If we go down to the 4 hour, we can see signs of a reversal. So we can see long wicks in this particular zone, which could indicate a reversal. However, I wouldn't touch this zone like I just said. So yeah, I would stay cautious of this and only look to trade from here and here. These are where I would look to take trades from. If price was to breach, retest short, or if price was showing me signs of reversal, I'll take a long. And same goes for here. If price was to show me signs of weakness, I would take the short. And if price was a bit bullish, then I'd look for the retest and continuation towards the highs. So yeah, thank you very much, guys.